Hey guys, it's me, Coyote, and today I'm going to be unboxing something that I bought with my Christmas money. So yeah, it's a refrigerator set, and the tripod is not covered. Anyways, yeah. So it's a fridge, and yeah, this is my first unboxing video, and it might be a little bit bad because I don't know how to unbox very well. Anywho, I'm just going to open the box up, and yeah, let's try to make my video as professional looking as possible. So yeah. So I already opened it, and yeah, it's just a weird box. I don't know what's the use of that. Yeah, it's just really weird. I don't know what the use of that is. But we got a lot of stuff in here. It's a whole pack. So yeah. So as you can see right here, I got the set, and it's not a really good position right now because this tripod is not cooperating. But anyways, here's the thing itself. It's really cool. The thing I don't really like is that this thing can come out. There's little eggs in there. I love it. It's so nice. And there's even some magnet thing. I don't know if it's a magnet, but it's something that can actually hold it. The thing really annoys me is this thing here. Anyways, yeah. So we're gonna look at the accessories now, and we have this cute little basket. I think you put the vegetables in it. So broccoli. I don't even think it fits here and all that. Okay, that's really cute actually. And have these things. I think this is a ketchup, and this is some milk and yogurt, 2 ice cream tubs. So yeah. So now we're going to put the stickers in. So yeah. Okay, I'm having a lot of trouble doing this, and so is my dad when he's trying to help me put the little folding thingy inside. But we won't do that now because it's really hard to do that, so I'm just going to do something else instead. And I'm running out of words. Help me. We have butter here. Butter. Focus. Focus. But you can read, people, right? If you can't read, then I don't know what you're doing on this channel. Yeah, we have butter and strawberry ice cream. Oh no, oh no. Oh no, he has no face. But I can't, there's your face. Your face is so beautiful. I can't focus. Anyways, this is strawberry. Because it is pink. Because what other food is pink? Other than strawberry. Right? And we have this really won't focus. A chocolate bar ice cream, which is cool. This is actually something that I actually succeeded in making. So, hooray for me. And these things are left. I don't really know what this is. We'll leave that aside. And we have these vegetables. We have these vegetables. So in the vegetable thing, don't mind that. In the vegetable thing, we have a big slice of broccoli, a yellow pepper thing. What was that corn? I don't know what that is. And of course, guacamole. Of course you guys know it's guacamole. It is absolutely guacamole. So let's put this guacamole aside because it's of course not a carrot. It's guacamole. And now is the actual reason why I bought this hack. It's the roof. Yes, people, this is 100% not a fridge. It is a roof. Wow, who knew that you can store eggs inside a roof, huh? Just wow. So let's put stuff inside the roof for now. So in every roof, there has to be milk at this side because, well, who doesn't love fresh milk? That milk is just looking depressed right now. Oh my god. He looks so depressed. We're just gonna leave the depressed milk right there. But you need to give space for the depressed orange juice. That's right, baby. The orange juice is back in the house. Or roof. Or whatever you call this thing. So let's put depressed orange juice with depressed milk. Look, they might give happiness to each other. They just maybe. Just maybe. And of course, what roof doesn't have vegetables? But Dad, I don't want to eat vegetables. Yes, you want to. Here's some guacamole. Dad, that's not guacamole. Then what is it, Miss Smarty Pants? That's a carrot. Anyways, we know that people and kids hate, I say, hate guacamole. But don't worry, folks, because there's guacamole wherever you go. There's always guacamole, especially with the rabbits around. So let's just stop giving this guacamole attention and make sure it lives with his happy family. Wow, we're so happy together. Just wow. So let's put the happy family into the happy roof family. Okay, now we're going to put ice cream. which people, you don't put ice cream there. It's just gonna melt. Like me, but flavored. So where do you put the ice cream? In the attic, of course. Let's put the ice cream in the attic of the roof. And let's put the other ice creams in the attic. Just there. There's your new beautiful home. There. Just wow. Now we're going to close this thing. And now it's time to put the rest of the things in. Like the ketchup. Oh dear. Let's just say, let's put the butter here. Whatever this is here. Or maybe up there. And this thing here. And this here. And whatever this is, right here. Oh well, let's let it die right there. Let's just let it die. Well, I think we're a complete happy family. Oh, what are you doing here? I just wanted to get some food. Seems like my daughter doesn't like guacamole. How did this fall here? My God. Time to give her ice cream like any other dad would do. Because we love our children so very much. Well, I hope you guys didn't enjoy this unboxing. It took forever to make. No, like seriously, it took very long to make. Make. You know how long it was to actually just put the orange juice together? It was just very hard. Anyways, I hope you did enjoy this video, and please dislike this video. Thank you for watching. You probably would hate me now, so bye.